In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock characters in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to unlock characters in Cursed Arena. So whenever you go over to switch characters, you will be able to see all the characters available in Cursed Arena, and you will notice that some characters might have this little skull emoji. And when you try to click or select these characters, you get this message: you don't have this moveset. What this means is that you still have to unlock the character, or the moveset rather. So in this video, I'm going to give you instructions on how to unlock all of these characters. You will be able to unlock and play as the Shadow Sorcerer, Special Curse, and Restless Gambler. So for you to unlock these characters, primarily it is going to be done by killing bosses. So if you go over to the Summon Boss window, you will be able to see which boss drops which character and the chance that you have of getting the moveset. So as you can see, by killing the strongest boss, you have a 12 or 15% chance of getting the Lucky Fighter moveset. So this is one of the drops available in the strongest boss. Keep in mind that while killing the boss, you have to be on the top 3 damage dealers for you to have a chance of getting this. Next, if we spawn the Special Curse, there is a 25% chance of the top 3 damage dealers acquiring the Special Curse moveset. Once again, this is another character that you can unlock. You can also get the Lucky Fighter here with 15% chance. And finally, if people kill the Sorcerer Hunter and they are on the top 3 damage dealer, there is a 19% chance of getting the Shadow Sorcerer's moveset, and once again 15% for Lucky Fighter. So to keep it simple, all that you have to do to unlock characters in Cursed Arena is to kill these bosses. If you are in the top 3 damage dealers, you will have a chance of unlocking them, and you will be able to access the movesets by simply choosing to switch characters and selecting them from here. You will be able to have bosses spawn randomly on public or private servers, or you can use and buy one of these tickets here. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlock characters in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.